Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Toyota Camry. We're talking about this generation right here from year 2015, 16, 17, if you guys have one of those. And if you need to find where the steering angle sensor fuses are located, which fuses you need to check, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you don't waste your money and time, and where you can guys, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay till the end. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, engines, transmission, we show you how to do practically almost anything guys. We even do body works. We have more than 12,000 free repair videos on our channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, on Toyota Camry guys, if you have that generation, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Why we do all that? Due to the fact that if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find where your fuel pump fuse is located because your car cannot start. You can just watch that video, 1-2 minutes, you replace that fuse, that relay, you're back on the road and you're back in business guys, because otherwise if you don't have your service manual, it could be really complicated. Sometimes it's hard to find. There is abbreviations that most people do not know, so we try to make it really convenient for you. Another thing guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays, okay, you see that you have all these different kinds of fuses guys, okay, you have different kinds of relays, you have these special fuses by the way that look like this one here. Check this thing out. We will put the links in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste your money and time. So let's start on it now. Steering angle sensor fuses, let's demonstrate where they're located guys. We will be working on this 2017 Toyota Camry right here. So most of the times the steering angle sensor, okay, is integrated in the cork spring and detects how many degrees you turn your steering wheel guys. So the fuses now, okay, you will have two different fuse boxes. We'll be working both of them. The first one, open the driver door, look upside down under the dash above the pedals all the way on the left side. You will guys see one white cover, open it, and there you will notice that you have a fuse box underneath that looks like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here guys, we need to check now, okay, a few different fuses, one in this fuse box, one in another one. The first one that we talk about is fuse number 2. We're talking about this fuse right here. Next, you need to open the hood on your Toyota Camry. Facing the engine on the right side here, you will guys have a fuse box under that cover. Go ahead, open it. You will see that layout here. And here we'll need to check another fuse, and this is known guys, okay, known as fuse number 37. It's that little bitty 10 fuse right here. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.